Hello guys, welcome to all of you. This is Burjinder Singh Chauhan. Welcome to my YouTube channel BS CAD-CAM. Guys, in this tutorial we learn extrude command in a SolidWorks completely. So without wasting time, we start the tutorial. So you can see here that there is a number of planes, okay, planes and members and different bodies from one side and another side. Okay, now we create a sketch for a user pad extrude command. So we can just select the plane and create a sketch on them. Okay, now we select the we create a sketch roughly. Okay, now we create it and click OK and exit sketch. Now we select the extrude command. Okay, you can see here first option is from means where we want to start the starting extrude. Okay, now here is selected the sketch plane. It means where we create the sketch, it start from their point. Okay, now here is the next option is surface plane. If you want to select this, and you can select the plane. Okay, if you want to select any, can delete it. You want to select the surface and you can check here, start the extrude from the surface plane, and you can just say select it. But in this case we just select only a flat surface, not a curved surface. Okay, it's a curved surface, you can follow it, but its radius is vary. Okay, now then the vertex means it means create a particularly point where we want to start extrude. Okay, when we select this point, it creates starting a sketch extrude from this point, vertex. From the vertex can select any one point from here. Okay, you can just delete. And last option is offset. Offset means it means where we want to create a sketch, then we create if you want to make it offset, then you can show the changes. Okay, if you want to in reverse direction, it means it go in the reverse direction. This is the value of extrude. Okay, and you can check here the offset value of your sketch. Okay, we just want to 5. Okay, here is our 4 point is completed. This is offset. Now we select the first point, and next option is a direction. Direction means it means where we want to extrude, in which directions. First is option is in, we drop down, and various type of option is here. First is blind, second is throw all. Next, one by one we complete this point. Okay, first is extrude. Blend means it means we add the value and it extrude on by this on the reference of your value. Okay, now next option is draft. It means it create an angle, extrude in an angle. You can just show the result. Okay, you can take it flatly extrude. Okay, or next option is throw all. It means it extrude to up to a last body. Okay, you can show here. If you want to change the reverse direction, this is our last body, and it extrude from there. But in this case, the surface is extruded is flat. Okay, it never change according to the shape of extrude is not change as per your body. So it means a throw. It means it extrude up to a last body. Okay, now up to a next, it means it extrudes up to the next point, next body. Also in next body, it means a next body. If you want to reverse, this is our first means it means the next body, then we can reverse. Okay, can just show the result. Okay, and the next option is up to a vertex. It is similar. You can select the end point, it extrude from the up to this point or vertex point. Okay, you can delete and you can select any vertex, it extrude from this point to this point. Okay, you can just show the result. Next option is here is a merge. It means it make a single body. And up to surface, this is important. If you want to create extrude by the curved surface, it means we select this surface here. Okay, the shape of your extrude is automatically follow your surface which you selected. You can show the result. If it's deleted and we check the face and show the result. Okay, if you want it follow the only a surface, it not matter to a curve, but it's just only a single surface. It means this is a single face, and so it follow this surface. Not if you want to select this is a single face. Okay, you can say that single surface, but you want to select this, it follow this. Can show the result. Okay, offset from the surface, it is similar to this, but in this value you can adjust the value. It means you can show the result. You can delete and select this face, and here is you can show the result. Want to increase and decrease the offset value of extrusion from the surface. Now we can move on the upside, can show the result. Okay, if you want to reverse, you can check reverse on the surface, then we select and select the surface, you can show the result. Okay, if you want to select this. Okay, reverse direction, and the result, it means it make a single body. You can check here and you can show that this single body, make it a single body when we cross from the body. Okay, Control Z and extrude, and next is up to a body. It means when we select the any body, it extrude to this, to the body, up to this body. You can just show and show the result. Okay, it automatically follow the body shape. You can just click here and add it, changes, we delete it and select the body, and its shape of extrude face is automatically change according to body shape or size. Okay, and the last option is up to a mid plane. It means it extrude a similar value symmetrically on both sides. You can show the result. Okay, double click here and you can adjust it. Okay, now we add it. Can select the, if you want to individually move just a one direction, then we want to this up to this surface, and but in opposite side want to this side, and similarly it follow in opposite side. Check here and okay. Here the option is a single body or all body. Okay. Okay, now we come on this face, select it and yours. Okay, in this case, Control Z, delete. Okay, we start a new, create a new sketch. In this case we have a two sketch. Okay, now we select one, we want to select both. Okay, you can show the result. It means it one by one we select a one time or a two time. Extrude. Now our tutorial is completed. Thank you guys.